Hey there, Sumolings! Happy to see you on our page. After an amazing success in 2022, we're back, but just for a quick moment, and we're bringing you something you've all been asking for: white label agency offers. Now you can use Trafft to sell your clients a booking solution under your brand. But there's a lot more in store. Trafft has evolved into one of the most feature-packed booking platforms out there. Think tailor-made booking pages, bookings through QR codes, emails, and even stories. Take advantage of group bookings, automatically assigned employees, virtual sessions, and so much more. Our Appsumo users who snagged the deal over a year ago are still over the moon about Trafft. The reviews speak volumes, so grab those licenses before the flash comeback deal disappears. Now, to make the most out of Trafft, stay looped in across all of our channels. Our newsletter will keep you informed about monthly feature drops, upcoming deals, and offers that are heading your way. For those who love learning through videos, our YouTube channel is your spot. Tutorials, industry insights, and customer stories all happen there. Prefer your knowledge bite-sized? Our Instagram's got you covered. We drop daily nuggets of wisdom about running service-based businesses. And if you're all about that professional vibe, hop onto LinkedIn. Same great insights, different platform. Oh, and don't miss out on our Telegram. It's your spot for quick text updates, usage tips, and real-world examples. We wish you many bookings.